What it do, grind family? Reggie P here. Hey, would you like to win some free money? Well, all you have to do is follow these guidelines. Subscribe to this channel, like this video, share this video, and watch this video all the way to the very end, and look out for a code word that will pop up in this video, and then type that down in the comments below. And once I reach 5,000 subscribers, 2 people will get a chance to win some free money. So follow those guidelines and get a chance to win this free money. Now let's get into this video.
This is App Grind TV. Get your grind on.
Welcome to App Grind TV with your boy Reggie P, and I help entrepreneurs make money on autopilot. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can get paid $5 per survey with this one app. Now, if you're new to my channel, I help entrepreneurs make money online, make money on YouTube, and make money with apps. And for every 1,000 new subscribers I receive, I give away free money. So do yourself a favor and hit that subscribe button right now. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so you won't miss any videos that I drop. And give me a like. It really helps out my channel, and it helps out this video to be seen by more people on YouTube. And please drop a comment down below if you have any questions about this method. Now, I'm not going to waste you guys' time. I'm going to go ahead and jump into it right about now. So please watch this video all the way to the very end so you won't miss anything. So without further ado, let me go ahead and hop over here to the site and show you this method. Let's grind and let's get it. Okay guys, I'm on Google Play Store, and I went ahead and pulled up this app. So as you can see here, they have high paying daily surveys, guaranteed $6 per survey. And let's scroll down here and read a little bit more. So it says here, take paid surveys for cash. It also says here, high paying surveys where you will not only be rewarded, but we will also donate to child starvation every completed survey. Oh wow, that's something else. They helping out, starvation, people that's starving. So that's very good. All right, so it says logo polling, get paid to tell companies what design they should use for their next logo. Surveys that appear based on your location, and much more. And they say you earn cash back when you shop. So you can do other things on here. You can shop and get cash back. And they have 50 major retailers and brands to deliver an amazing shopping experience. And it says here you can earn up to 40% cash back added right to your Zap surveys balance. Okay, once you reach $25 in your account balance, you will be able to cash out via PayPal payments, Amazon gift cards, or Visa gift cards. Guys, this is a very good app. Now let's scroll down here and look at the rating. So out of 5 stars is 3.9. Now I know that's under 4 stars. I always say anything 4 stars and up is a good app, but this is a really good app. It just maybe had some few bugs maybe in the app, and then maybe some people had to give it maybe 1 or 2 stars. But let's go ahead and read one review. So I'm gonna read one review, but I'm not gonna read everything they're saying here. So I love this app. So this person right here, Ashley, said, I love this app, cashed out twice now, and it's in my PayPal within a day. Few bugs with goals. It doesn't complete even. So they're just talking about the few bugs and whatnot. But overall, this person said they cashed out twice and got the money in 1 day through PayPal. So that's good, guys. All right, guys, that's all I'm going to say about this app. So if you want to come on here and read some more reviews, just go ahead and go to Google Play Store and look up Zap Surveys Earn Money and Gift Cards, and go ahead and get started and make this money. Okay, guys, thank you for watching this video all the way to the very end. Before you click away, please hit that like button for me and help me to get at least 50 likes. And drop a comment down below if you have any questions about this app. And please look out for the code word that will pop up in this video. When you see that code word, make sure you type it down in the comments below so you can get a chance to win this free money once I reach 5,000 subscribers. And please share this all around the internet, because I really want to help everybody I can to make money online and become their own boss. And last but not least, please subscribe to my channel and don't forget to hit that notification bell so you won't miss any videos that I drop, because I make videos like this every other day. Okay, guys, thank you for tuning in. If you heard any noise in the background, sorry about that. I'm outside. But anyway, thank you for tuning in, and road to 5,000. Let's get there, guys. You keep watching. I'm going to keep bringing this content. I'm searching every day for new ways to make money online. So, guys, just bear with me. That's in other countries. I'm looking for ways to make money online that's available worldwide. So bear with me if some of these things do not work in your area. By the way, in the comments below, put where you live so I can make sure that your country will be able to pull up any website or do the actual method. So put that in the comments below where you are from. All right, guys, one more thing. Please check out my podcast show. It's called Hustle, Grind, and Grow. And also check out my new channel. It's called Hustle, Grind, and Grow TV. I talk about making money online over there, and also how to start a business and how to make your business become successful. All right, thank you again. One more thing before I go. Get your grind on, because the grind is real. Peace, and have a nice day.
Get your grind on, yeah. 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 Get your grind on, yeah.